Welcome to Blackbird Hotel. You can easily book your stay and find more details using the QR code or the description link provided. Nestled in the heart of Istanbul, Turkey, Blackbird Hotel offers a luxurious and comfortable experience, making it perfect for both leisure and business travelers. This four-star hotel boasts 89 beautifully appointed rooms, each designed with modern amenities and stylish decor to create a relaxing and inviting ambience. Whether you choose a standard room or a spacious suite, you can expect utmost comfort and convenience. The hotel underwent a complete renovation in 2014, ensuring you enjoy the latest in modern comforts and facilities. Conveniently, check-in starts at 2 p.m., allowing you time to settle in, and checkout is until 12 p.m. Enjoy amenities such as free Wi-Fi, express check-in, and breakfast. Plus, a quick 30-minute airport transfer means you can get your trip started or conclude it with ease. Don't forget to use the QR code to book your stay and experience the luxury of Blackbird Hotel.